5:10, heading towards Croft, Sunny In and Sunny Out, part of the circuit that we're unable to see from our commentary position. For the people on the spectator banking behind me. Leading by about 2 car lengths, I would say, ahead of the car 17 Salisbury driver. Car 17 it is indeed, as they head across the start-finish line, heading down towards Clairvaux. It's Crocker, Davison, Christie in the Escort, the RS2000 in 3rd place. In 4th place, Bob James, car 4, and then VW, the Mark 1 GTI, and Primer then in the Mark 1 S car 5. He's lost a couple of places on that opening lap, which is quite surprising, as he heads down towards Tower once again. Behind Primer in 6th place, moving up a couple of places, is the Golf GTI then, at car 148, and that is Hughes, isn't it? Yes, 148 Hughes, Don Hughes from Andover in Kent, and on to what is now their 2nd lap, and it's Crocker leading by just under a second, 9/10 of a second, but a couple of car lengths, I would say, and poor old then it just suddenly boiled over. Well, race leader Crocker then under a bit of pressure in the 2nd place. It's 2,000 though, is it? Yes, it is. Car 10 then, Christie, with a couple of Golf GTIs nipping at his wheels then, as he heads down towards Clairvaux once again. It is Davison in 2nd place in the BMW that has now just set past his lap, and that is 138.948, as he battles very hard indeed, coming out of Hawthorne, heading down towards Tower once again. Will it be under braking that he makes a lunge down the inside, or is he going to wait a little longer? Has a look on the outside. Crocker defends well on the inside and heads through Jim Clark's once again. Have we got a change? 1 or 2, I think. Have we seen a place change? Yeah, 148's moved up, hasn't he? Yeah. And Jonathan Primer not looking well at the moment. He's dropped down 2 places, but 148, Don Hughes then from Class D, now moving up into 5th overall. It's Capri. Oh, we've got yellows now. So 2 leaders side by side of the BMW, saw a bit of daylight there, down the inside. Davison on the inside, but Crocker has it with Morgan turning into the right-hander, and so Crocker back in the lead once again, so only losing the lead spot for what, 500 metres, something like that. But the 2 leaders well and truly ahead of the rest of the field, and Davison will have another look this time, down towards Tower. Crocker it is, Davis, there again, big push by Jepson, GTI, just a little tap behind in his GTI. We've got Simon in in 6th place with his Mini Cooper S, and Simon started in 7th on the grid, so he moved up a place. Looks like the Mustang, I think it is. Yeah, a spinner at tower there on that lap as the leaders go through. Right, just thought we might have had some changes.